In this video, I'm going to show you how to OCR a PDF in PDF XChange Editor. Now, first I'm going to explain what this does. So basically, if you, for example, scan the document and if you want to search within it, you'll have to OCR it because otherwise it won't be possible because the PDF, or of course your computer, will not know what words actually are on the screen. So for this, you're going to have to do an OCR to be able to then recognize these words and to search them within your document. So you have to go to the Convert tab up top, simply click on OCR pages, and then here you can select all the page ranges you want to do. So I'm just going to do all pages. You can select the recognition options here, and of course select the language, the accuracy. You have a bunch of different options here, and whenever you're happy with whatever you've checked, just click on OK. It's going to go through the OCR process. Of course, depending on the size and the length of your PDF, it's going to take a few seconds up to a few minutes, and whenever that's done, as you can see here, the OCR has been done. And for example, I could go and press Ctrl and F on my keyboard. I could try finding something, for example, results, and if I press enter, there we go, it's going to find that specific word inside my PDF because I've done the OCR. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.